Hello everyone, I am Eugenia Alcalá and I am the founder of Dash Venezuela. Today I was invited by our allies of Uninet and Unitec to a course about business in crisis time. They invited me to talk about the management of emotions in trading, and we took the opportunity also to talk to the 40 participants who were here about what is Dash, what is Dash Venezuela, and how they can participate in our activities to adopt our cryptocurrency Dash in their businesses. We had also our interactive tables where the participants could go to register themselves to participate in our conference, in our workshops, and our capacitations for learning more about Dash. That is a step forward in educating the Venezuelan people and to make of Venezuela the first Dash nation.